in this video, you'll learn how to delete a listing on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to remove items from your seller account effectively and efficiently. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the seller dashboard. This area contains various options related to your selling activities. Look for the section labeled Active Listings, where all your current product listings are displayed. Identify the specific listing you wish to remove from the platform. After locating it, click on the listing to access its management options. This action ensures that you are working with the correct item before proceeding. Within the listing management options, search for the button labeled End Listing or Remove Listing. Clicking on this option will stop the listing from being visible to potential buyers. It is important to note that eBay may prompt you to confirm the reason for ending the listing. Before you continue, ensure that there are no active bids or pending transactions associated with the item. Verifying these details is crucial to avoid any potential issues during the deletion process. Once you have selected the End Listing option, you must confirm your action to remove the item. This confirmation typically involves clicking a button that finalizes the deletion. After completing this step, the listing will be taken down from the marketplace immediately. As a result, buyers will no longer be able to view or purchase the item. However, you will still have access to the listing details in your selling history, allowing you to maintain accurate records. Always review your listings carefully before deleting them. This practice helps ensure that you are managing your inventory accurately and avoids unnecessary mistakes. It is also advisable to regularly check your active listings for any items that may need to be removed, particularly if they are outdated or no longer available for sale. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.